Lab 3, 1 mile jogging test and Rockport walking test by John Paul Della Rosa. The equipment needed for the experiment includes a 400-meter track, a stopwatch, and in some cases a heart rate monitor. The Rockport walk test. Instruct the individual to warm up 2 to 3 minutes before starting the test. Have the individual walk for 1 mile. This is a sub-maximal test, not a maximal test. Make sure a 400-meter track is used. Make sure the individual walks as fast as they can. Heart rate is attained in the final minute. The individual should walk 4 laps around the track. Use this test for both men and women of the ages of 20 to 69 years old. This test is great for older and sedentary individuals. Record the amount of time it takes for the individual to complete the 1 mile. Take the individual's heart rate at either the radial or carotid artery site. When taking heart rate, either count the beats per minute for a whole minute or count to 15 seconds, get the beats per minute, and times that by 4. Once you get the heart rate, then you will use an equation to find the VO2 max. Make it clear to the individual that this is a sub-maximal test and not a maximal test, that you are walking at a fast rate. This is known as the Rockport walk test. The 1 mile jogging test. Have your individual warm up 5 to 10 minutes before performing the test. Have the individual jog at a slow rate for 4 laps around the track, or 1 mile. Remind the individual that this is a sub-maximal test and not a maximal test. The age group for both men and women is 18 to 29 years old. Males need to do this jog in 8 minutes. Females need to do it in 9 minutes. The post-exercise heart rate should not be over 180 beats per minute. Record how long it takes the individual to complete the 1 mile. Take the heart rate at the radial or carotid artery site. Remind the individual again that this is a sub-maximal test and not a maximal test. This test is known as the 1 mile jogging test. Remember to do this test on the 400-meter track. Equations for VO2 max. When doing the equation, make sure you calculate body weight in kilograms, times in minute, and get the gender, either male or female. In this equation, use the body weight in pounds, age in years, get the gender, the time in minutes, and the heart rate with beats per minute.